So when you are meeting with a veteran and they have a whole host of health issues going on, a lot of those can be tied back to lifestyle. And so what culinary medicine does is it helps change that conversation. Instead of just looking at a veteran saying, you need to eat better, you need to exercise. And so what we're hoping to do is change how we have that conversation and give them tangible tools to help implement different lifestyle changes.
People are reluctant to talk about their weight, reluctant to talk about their diet, and so this is providing a skill set to even broach that conversation with people. And then if we're able to broach it and patients feel more comfortable in talking about that, we have a greater likelihood of getting them the resources and the help that they need.
So eggs are fantastic. We don't want to eat this whole frittata at one time, but that would be a lot of cholesterol. But eggs are a great source of protein as well. We have many different classes and options to see a dietitian or cooking classes here at the VA. The Healthy Teaching Kitchen demonstration class is the dietitian up at the front of the class demonstrating the recipe and how to cook the recipe and how to make the food. And the veterans ask questions, and in the end, when everything is finished, we all get to sample the recipe. In the Healthy Teaching Kitchen hands-on class, the veterans get to make the food themselves. They get to chop, they get to stir and roast and bake the food. And in the end, we all get to sample the food. When clinicians and dietitians are on the same page working together when it comes to nutrition, the veteran benefits and they're able to achieve their nutrition goals.